Let's take a look at some of the ways that you can set up Forecast Bar to fit your needs. You'll see here we're looking at a forecast that has heavy rain as well as rain in the forecast in future days. As you scroll, we'll be able to see the percentage of precipitation chance on that day. Now, if I want to see the amount of precipitation, I can simply tap on the day of the week to convert it to the date, as well as show me the amount of precipitation for that day. You'll also notice that when rain or snow is detected in the forecast, you'll see an animated chart showing that. Let's go to the menu and then Settings and then General and look at some of our options. For one, we could hide that precipitation graph if we find it to be distracting. If you prefer to see the date instead of the day of the week by default, you can toggle this flag. You can also show the precipitation amount by default instead of the percentage chance. Now, in addition to these options, there's a number of other very useful options on this screen. You can switch your weather source between the weather company and dark sky. We recommend you play around with all of the weather sources available to you to see which one fits your location the best. There's 3 localization options here to help you fit your forecast to your needs. If you live in an area that uses a 24-hour clock, you can toggle that on here. You can also change the units that are used throughout Forecast Bar, as well as the language for your forecasts from a variety of languages across the world. You're also able from this screen to manage your subscription, see more about your current version, and also log in with Netatmo and create Siri shortcuts, but we'll be covering those topics in a separate video.